Hello, welcome. In this video, we want to talk about Microsoft Excel and its basic functions. I'm Abdullahi Okwayemi Falade. At the end of this video, at the end of this training, participants should be able to state two of what Microsoft Excel does. You should be able to differentiate between the worksheet and the workbook. You should be able to mention essential tabs and commands in Microsoft Excel. You should be able to use Microsoft Excel for data entry. You should be able to differentiate between formulas and functions. And you should be able to mention 10 functions in Microsoft Excel. Finally, you should be able to name any 5 Microsoft Excel functions you know. This is an example of a dashboard created using Microsoft Excel. I'm Abdullahi Okwayemi Falade. This is my picture, as you can see. I'm a graduate of mathematical science with years of experience in teaching and tutoring mathematics, science, languages, and data analytics. I'm motivated to engage in data analytics because I see data analytics as a way to give information, to be able to give fact from reliable figures, to add values, to be able to help people solve problems, either short-term or long-term problems. And this is also been my motivation to be able to help people solve their problems as much as I can. The data analytics is essential for everybody, regardless of your discipline. But before you start this journey of data analytics, I recommend you should start with Microsoft Excel. What Microsoft Excel does. 1, we use Microsoft Excel for data entry, to profile, for profiling. 2, we use the Microsoft Excel for data analysis. 3, we use Microsoft Excel for optimization, e.g. the use of Excel Solver. There's a clear difference between a worksheet and a workbook. A worksheet is a subset of a workbook, while a workbook is going to be the superset of a worksheet. A worksheet contains arrangements of rows and columns, and a workbook contains several worksheets, just like your textbook, which contains several sheets. There are 16,384 columns, 1,048,576 rows in Microsoft worksheets. There are uncountable numbers of worksheets in a workbook. Essential tabs and commands in Microsoft Excel are the O, the insert, the formulas, the data, and the view. These are very, very important in Microsoft Excel. How do we use Microsoft Excel for data entry? Step 1, input the header's name and bold with Ctrl B. Step 2, enter the first observation or parameters. Step 3, use your Alt DO to continue in the form format. What are the differences between the formulas and the function? Formula involve the use of basic arithmetic operation, such as division, addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. While function does not involve the use of basic arithmetic operation. You are not using any of the addition sign, multiplication sign, and if you are going to use, it could be in a nested form. Formulas can easily be manipulated. Functions cannot be easily be manipulated. Formulas do not involve the use of step-by-step argument instruction. Functions involve the use of step-by-step argument instruction. These are the difference between the formulas and functions. These are 10 functions in Microsoft Excel I would recommend you should be able to use: proper, lower, upper, concatenate, VLOOKUP, index, match, sum, sum ifs, count ifs, ifs, and learn. I hope you have been able to learn something in this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.